and good day everyone. So today we're going to talk about the Marcet boiler experiment. So for more information, please do refer to your lab sheet given to you. So just a little bit of introduction. So what we're going to do today is actually we're going to heat up the water inside a closed container. So what will happen is that when the temperature of the water rises up, so does the pressure inside this tank. So when the pressure also increases, the boiling point of the water also increases. So we're going to study a little bit about the steam pressure curve of the saturated steam. Alright, so this is the Marcet boiler, so we're going to take a closer look at the components that we have on the apparatus. So using the Marcet boiler is quite simple. All you need to do is fill up water inside the Marcet boiler through the fill openings right here. So we're filling the water up until it reaches the overflow valve. So when it reaches the overflow valve, we just shut it off, close the fill openings, and then we can operate the Marcet boiler. So it's quite simple. It's really simple, really. So after we fill in all the water, after we make sure that everything is set to 0, the temperature here is ambient, so we can start the heater. So I'm going to start the heater right now. Okay, so it's started. So now what we're going to do is actually we're going to wait until the water inside reaches the boiling point, and then we're going to turn off the heater again. Right now the water is heating up towards the boiling point. So after we reach the boiling point, we need to shut off the heater, and we need to make sure that the pressure here goes to 0 before we need to turn on the heater again. And after we turn on the heater again, then we can take our reading. Right now we're just preheating the water inside, just so we can make sure that we have a very accurate data that we need. So now the temperature exceeds the boiling point temperature of water. So what we're going to do right now is actually we're going to turn off the heater. So that's turned off, and we're going to wait until the pressure goes back to 0 before we can turn on the heater again and get our data. So now the pressure inside this Marcet boiler has gone down to 0 bar. So what we're going to do right now is actually we're going to turn on the heater back on. So we're going to take the steam temperature, as you can see here, and write it down on your table according to the pressure needed. So we're going to start off at 0.5, and then we go to 1 at an increment of 0.5. So just going to turn it on. Wait for it to go up to 0.5, and then we're going to take the temperature down. Alright, so that was it. The experiment was simple enough, so we get all the data that we needed. So the experiment took us around 30 minutes up till an hour to complete. And what you need to do now is actually you need to compare these values with the theoretical value. So you can find the theoretical value in the standard thermodynamics properties table. And also you need to calculate the absolute pressure by yourself. So you compare these two and discuss your findings thoroughly. And please make sure that all your discussions is individually written. Okay? So please don't forget to read your lab sheet, read it thoroughly, understand it, because this is very, very simple. And based on this, you can write your lab reports, and you can present your findings in your lab report as well. So that is it for the Marcet boiler experiment. So I'll see you again in the next experiment.